I already said this is what I was going to do if I bought that NSX without telling her. In our wedding vows, Lee was there. Do you remember what she said?
I do not. So you said something along the lines of, you know, she'll support you buying whatever car you want.
She said, I promise to support you no matter what you do, even if it means buying another car. So it's there.
Yeah.
Like, it's there.
Do you have support?
Yes, sir. There we go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Scrap Life Garage YouTube channel. I have to say, I am really excited to bring this new series to our channel today. For those that are new here, I am Alex. For those that are current subscribers, as always, we really appreciate all the support that you've shown us. We're having a lot of fun making this content, and we really hope you stick around and all the new people add a subscription to watch everything that's coming in the future. For a long time, I've always loved Vipers. I think that they're very cool, they're very different, they're very unique cars, and I've always liked them, just never had the right opportunity to buy one. That changed when this car came available. Not only is it a Viper, but it's got a lot of really cool, really different parts you don't normally get from a salvage auction that we're gonna go over in this video. And I think I'm gonna try, if it's fixable, I'm gonna fix this one, put it back on the street, and have a lot of fun. So let's get right into it. This is a salvaged twin turbo Viper.
So I'm going to give a little bit of background real quick because Alex might be so excited now that we got it on the lift that he's just going to dive right into it. So this thing, oh, here he is. I was going to give him the background.
Give me my camera.
Yeah, I was going to give him the background on like the situation, like the conditions surrounding it, like why we're secretive about wanting to look and see if what is there is actually
Okay. He talks too much. So we bought this car after looking at it for at least an hour, trying to figure out what the deal was with it. Obviously, the car has HREs.
The Moton.
You can't hide that. Then we noticed this nice reservoir sitting in the engine bay.
Not standard equipment.
Which is a Moton reservoir. Not cheap, not standard equipment. The more and more I looked at it, I started to see this. And this. And this. And got to thinking, this is a boosted car. Has to be. Then I thought about it, maybe it's a blower and someone stole it. Because it's really common in this industry, unfortunately, that people will go into lots and they will steal parts off cars. People crash them, they get them before insurance, they take parts off cars, and you get cars that are halfway put back together because someone's keeping all of their parts. We looked, found a little bit of information on it, which I will add to this video. And then we decided, you know what, let's give it a try. Let's buy this thing, get it up here, and see where it goes. Personally, I've always wanted to fix a car. I've always been a Viper lover. Maybe not Gen 3 exactly. Sorry, Gen 3 owners. Maybe not a Gen 3 exactly, but I've always loved Vipers. And this one fits the budget. This one fits the opportunity. And, as I'm about to show you, this one's got a couple extra mods done to it. I have not looked yet. I didn't want to look. Not a single person in this shop has looked at this car yet. Under it, Austin had to put a jump box on it. He's got a little bit of information. But no one's looked under it to see exactly what's going on.
You want to do top or bottom first?
We'll
There's some
do...
stuff in the engine bay you want to confirm.
Yeah, let's go top first. We're going to do top first.
Coming down.
We're going to do top first.
Because that's one of the other pieces that we noticed in the auction was...
Correct. Yep, I got one more piece I'm going to show you. Here comes Master Woody with his flashlight. He wants to see it too, I know it. Tell me you want to see it.
Oh, I want to see it.
All right. Hold that jump box. Hold the jump box so it doesn't fall over. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right.
It's still there.
So here we are. Number one thing that we were worried about being taken, as we've had in past, is this guy right here. That, if you don't know, is an AEM Infinity, which is one of the top systems to run a car like this. We also noticed as we were looking, there's a couple coil drivers right here, an AEM sensor here, an AEM sensor here. All the injector clips are obviously aftermarket. Vipers don't come factory with the braided line there. And we noticed this little guy. So, as you're gathering by now, this is an RSI car that was built a couple years ago and is supposed to be, I haven't been under it yet, supposed to be twin turbo. The question is, are the turbos still there? Are the turbos damaged? Is anything in this car right? Or did someone get their little paws on it and start taking stuff? It's supposed to have a key in it. We haven't found it yet. So we're going to search the interior after we figure all this out. And then I'm going to have to call the lot, see if they have it. It was pictured with a key.
Yeah, because this one over here, yeah, whoever like did some work on this car needs to invest in.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at the one back there. The one back there is marred up too.
Is the engine mount broken? Because that's been beaten on this. That's
yeah.
chewed up too. That's broken.
All right, go ahead and go up, Woody.
Suspense. We're going up.
Go up. Oop. Slowly. Slowly. You went too fast. Yeah. Go up faster. The people want to see.
Do more.
He's messing with you guys, not me. He's messing with you guys. Yeah.
No, do less. Do less.
Yeah.
No,
do more. Do less.
Do more. You can't see anything in the wheel well.
Here.
Stop flashing me with my own light.
Not that it was fixable anyway.
Yeah.
The whole inside was banged up too.
Yeah.
Look at this gorgeous. Oh!
Oh, just like looking
There
at
she
it.
be. Damn.
Holy shit! Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, yeah.
Look at the downpipes right here.
Yeah, that wheel's destroyed. Let's go, Woody.
Put her on the locks.
Grab.
Here, lower down on the locks.
It's not tall enough for tall people.
Yeah.
Alrighty, go ahead
Here
and
we
get
go.
over there.
Boom, boom, boom.
There they are.
Everything looks to be in place.
Yeah.
Look at that dump tube. That thing's over a half inch.
Wow.
Those are a little like tile 38s, huh?
There's no, yeah.
Look like an S1000.
There's a nice melted clip right here.
do. Like a much bigger version.
All right, there's the oil drain. Goes to the pan.
Yeah, so this is that T-in fitting that I was talking about. Oh, you know
That's a
what?
coolant line.
It's for the turbos.
Yeah, it's a coolant line for the turbos. Oh, it's rubbing on the belt.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like there's
That's
a couple
cool.
little.
Yeah, I need to fix
A
that.
little bit of fluid here, whatever this.
That looks like power steering, to be honest. Probably from a cooler.
Okay.
Got a nice little forklift trunk. They got this fucking truck.
Yeah,
No, that was-
forklift
we,
up
yeah,
there.
we noticed that when it was.
When they lift it from the back.
Yeah, we lifted it.
Looks like that oil drain might be a little leaky.
This is a car, right?
Oh wow, look at it. That's actually, look, they have it on
Yeah.
the frame rail. They have like things around them, but
Yeah.
that's a little bit. But the turbos are there.
I like the dual brand.
Yeah.
Little spoolie boys.
All right, just to give a very quick rundown of exactly what is done to this thing, I'm going to flash the mod list that I was sent up on the screen, as well as a dyno video. It is a built RSI short block to their spec. It's a custom grind crankshaft, billet rods, their spec pistons, as well as a comp cam, cleavite throughout the bearing system, ARP head studs, stage 3 ported heads with Johnson rockers and the 1.7 upgrade, dual valve springs, the works throughout the heads, GT3582 turbos under there. I'm not sure if they're ours or not, but they're definitely under there. AM Infinity with a full flex fuel system for E85. It has a radium triple billet hanger in the back for a fuel system. It is set up to make a lot of power. I promise you that. Obviously, we know we got the Motons for the suspension. We got HREs. We have all that good stuff. It is a built TR6060 swap. Looks like there's like a billet, like adapter mid plate or something like that in there. I'm going to have to explore that a little bit more. But it's definitely a 6060 swap. Because the 03s came with T56s prior to the 6060s. The 6060 is a good upgrade. But that's just a short rundown of exactly what I found out about the car, all that kind of stuff. As I will show, the car made 1,020 wheel horsepower and just over 1,250 foot-pounds of torque on C16. I believe it was 15 pounds of boost. So the car can make power, and it can definitely make a lot more. But for now, that's what we got. That's the information I have. Guys, I promise, we're going to start this thing. Unfortunately, the lot did not have a key. So I'm going to have to go to Dodge and get Dodge to get a key. I called Dodge. They ordered it 3 days, roughly. So I got to wait 3 days to start this thing. But in this video, I will start this car and I will let you hear it run because I'm betting that it is going to sound awesome. We got good news. Dodge called, the key is in. So we're gonna go over to Annapolis right now. I gotta take the title and some paperwork to prove that I own the car. And we're gonna go get a key cut and get this thing started, hopefully. Still a couple other small things I need to do to make sure that it starts correctly and we don't leak fluids and all that kind of stuff for issues that were causing the accident. But let's go to Annapolis. All right, that quick, about 15 minutes. Got ourselves a key right here. We're gonna head back to the shop and see if this thing starts. But I was wandering the lot for a minute while they were cutting the key, and unfortunately I can't go in there. But I did find something pretty cool. This guy's sitting on a lift right here. Got a nice parachute, nice set of wheels. How you doing, man? That's yours?
Yeah.
What setup is it?
It's a turbo on this one. Yeah, then it's all custom stuff I've done.
Gotcha. Is it a Hellcat or did it start as just a base car?
Yeah, it started. I think it started as a scat pack.
Nice.
So, yeah, I've done all the work myself.
Cool.
Yeah.
Have you made any passes with it?
Yeah. Actually, unfortunately, over the last weekend, the motor finally gave way.
Oh.
But I hold the record for the fastest scat pack stick car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a stick car.
Yeah, it's a stick
Cool.
car. And also hold the record for the stock bottom end.
Well, that thing sounds like it's no joke. Pretty cool. Not very often you see stick cars at all, much less a stick car that they're actually trying to break records with and move forward with. Everyone just normally goes auto because they get tired of trying to drive it and drivetrain issues and all that good stuff. So we're gonna head back to the shop now, see what happens. All right, we got the key. We're gonna see if it works. Hopefully it is the original ignition because it will be no bueno if it's not. Jerks. We got power. We definitely have power. All right. Step one complete. So what we had to do up here is got this new oil cooler in, hooked up all the lines. This is coolant, this is oil. Cycles it all through to try and keep the oil temp down. We had to cap some, loop some lines down here. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. As I promised earlier in the video, we're going to start this thing and I'm going to let you guys hear it run. In our next video, we're going to go over our options. We're going to go over all the damage that we have found, the extent of the damage that we have found, as far as the frame rails go and the suspension points, all that stuff that are going to depict what we do to this car. Fix it, do a chassis swap, who knows? Whatever we end up doing with this car, I'm going to go over that in the second video, and we're going to really figure out exactly how to go about this in the best way possible for awesome content, as well as financially. You know, we got to be smart. We can't just throw a bunch of money away and fix this thing. Can't do that. So, again, I want to thank everyone for watching. This is going to be an awesome series. We're going to have a lot of fun. I promise you that. Have a good night. Thanks again.
It's not gonna run that great without there.
Yes, I got it on video that time, or at least half of it.
Oh, it's definitely. I mean, because it's not charging.
I think it's lowering that.
So it's probably gonna.
Alrighty, moment of truth. Let's see. I wonder why. Ooh. It's got some chop.